Tatu City, an ambitious vision unfolding just outside Nairobi, a futuristic techno-city built with conservation and community at its core. The city is divided into thoughtfully planned residential neighborhoods like Kijani Ridge, Unity Homes, and Silver Hill, each offering a unique blend of green spaces, modern living, and safety. Education is a pillar of this new urban ecosystem. Institutions like Crawford International and Nova Pioneer already serve young learners, with more schools under construction to support a growing community. Tatu City is designed around the principle of work, live, and play. Its special economic zone hosts multinational companies, warehouses, and thriving industrial parks, making it a hub for business and employment. And for health and wellness, Tatu City boasts one of the largest outdoor gyms in Kenya, open to residents and visitors alike. Free access, fresh air, fitness with a view. The city also holds big sporting and entertainment like Koroga Festival, to name just a few. According to the master plan, Tatu City is where you live, work, or play. Tatu City isn't just a development, it's a glimpse of what the future of African urban living could be: clean, connected, conscious, and growing every day.